G'day guys, just got a quick little tip for when you're setting up a new bait jig on your Akuma Sabiki rod. So with your bait jig upside down, that's where you want to attach. Just make sure it won't reach the back end of this. You don't want that swivel to jam in there. Check your bait jig length before your sinker would hit the end. So what I like to do, this length between the top swivel, the first hook, I just cut that off and simply retie it, which pulls it in a little bit. This tag at the end, I just tie it in a loop so that my sinker sits about there. That means my sinker will stop in the end of my rod before my swivel gets jammed in there. By tying a loop knot in the end of my jig, I can feed it through my snapper lead, lock it off. That way, if I get into more current, less current, I can easily just pop that off in reverse, change that sinker size down. Second little tip, I like to run mono on this rod. The rod's a little bit stiff for the small hooks on the yakkers, and they'll pull off with braid, but if you run mono, I find it keeps a lot more fish on. With slimies, it doesn't seem to matter, they just got a lot harder mouth, but those yakkers, I like to run mono on that reel. Just a couple of quick tips there guys to help you catch more bait.